Hey, good food lovers. Today we're making a Dubai chocolate cake with pistachio. Creamy layers, a crunchy base, rich mousse, everything you want in a show-stopping dessert. If you love recipes like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next ones. Let's start with the pistachio cream. Here I've got 3 egg yolks. To these, I'm adding some sugar, around 30 grams, and whisking until slightly pale and smooth. Next, I have a cup of heavy cream, heating it gently until it's just steaming. Slowly, I pour the warm cream into the yolks while whisking constantly. This helps to temper the eggs so they don't scramble. Once combined, I return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously with a spatula until it thickens and reaches about 82 to 84 degrees Celsius. Now for the gelatin, 1½ sheets soaked in cold water until soft. I remove the mixture from heat and stir in the gelatin until completely dissolved. Finally, the star flavor, pistachio spread, about ¼ cup. Mix until smooth and silky. To finish the insert, I pour it into a ring mold lined with plastic wrap freeze for at least 3 hours or until solid. Moving on to the brownie layer, I start with 4 tablespoons of butter and 35 grams of dark chocolate. 70% I melt them together gently, either over a bain-marie or in short microwave bursts, stirring until smooth. In a separate bowl, I whisk 1 large egg with 50 grams of sugar until it becomes slightly pale. Then I fold in the melted chocolate and butter mixture, mixing until smooth. A pinch of salt, ½ teaspoon of vanilla, and 30 grams of all-purpose flour are added next. Followed by 45 grams of crushed pistachios for that nutty texture. Pour the batter into a prepared 8-inch round pan, lightly greased and dusted with flour. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes. The edges will set while the center remains slightly gooey. That's exactly what we want. Let it cool completely before unmolding. Now for the crunch layer. In a pan over medium heat, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add 50 grams of Kataifi. Toast it for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring constantly until golden and crisp. Remove from heat and let it cool on absorbent paper for a few minutes. Once cooled, gently mix in ½ cup of pistachio spread until crumbly and fully combined. After the brownie has cooled, spread this Kataifi mixture evenly on top, pressing lightly so it sticks. Refrigerate until we assemble the cake. Next, the dark chocolate mousse. Soak 3 gelatin sheets in cold water for 10 minutes. Whisk 5 egg yolks with 90 grams of sugar until foamy. In a saucepan, heat 1 cup of whole milk with 140 grams of cream and a teaspoon of vanilla until hot. Slowly pour the hot milk mixture into the yolks while whisking to avoid scrambling. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until it reaches about 82 to 84 degrees Celsius. Melt 225 grams of dark chocolate, 70%, and pour the custard over it in 3 additions, stirring until smooth. Allow the chocolate mixture to cool to around 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Whip 325 grams of cream to soft peaks and gently fold the cool chocolate custard in 3 additions. For assembly, line a 250 by 70 millimeter ring mold with plastic wrap. Pour about 2/3 of the chocolate mousse into the mold, spreading it evenly and tapping gently to remove air bubbles. Freeze for 10 minutes. This helps the insert stay centered. Gently place the frozen pistachio insert into the center, pressing lightly so it sits flush but doesn't touch the bottom. Pour the remaining mousse over the insert and smooth the top. Place the brownie topped with the pistachio Kataifi crunch on top of the mousse. The mousse should come up to the edges of the brownie but not cover it entirely. Freeze the entremet for at least 6 hours or until completely solid. Now, the cocoa mirror glaze. Soak 4 gelatin sheets in cold water for 10 minutes. In a saucepan, combine 210 grams of sugar, 75 grams of glucose syrup, and 105 grams of water heat to exactly 103 degrees Celsius. Remove from heat and sift in 75 grams of cocoa powder, stirring gently to avoid bubbles. Heat 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of cream to about 60 degrees Celsius and dissolve the drained gelatin sheets into it. Add this cream gelatin mixture to the cocoa syrup in 3 additions, stirring carefully. Blend with an immersion blender for a perfectly smooth glaze, strain into a pouring jug, and cover with plastic wrap. Cool to about 30 degrees Celsius before using. Once the cake is fully frozen, unmold it and place it on a rack over a tray. Pour the glaze in one smooth motion. Let the excess drip, smooth the base, and transfer to a serving plate. For the green chocolate leaves, melt the candy melts in 30-second intervals, stirring in between. Spoon into a leaf-shaped silicone mold and tap gently to remove bubbles. Refrigerate 10 to 15 minutes until set. Unmold carefully and lightly spray with gold shimmer. Arrange around the base of the cake. And there you have it, a stunning Dubai chocolate cake with layers of pistachio cream, gooey brownie, crunchy Kataifi, and rich dark chocolate mousse, all finished with a glossy cocoa mirror glaze and delicate chocolate leaves. If you try this at home, don't forget to share your creations and tag us. We'd love to see your beautiful cakes. And of course, for more decadent recipes like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.